Researchers had made a rare detection of the clouds in the atmosphere of an exoplanet, spotting puffs of unknown composition floating above the fluffy, puffy planet WASP 127b. The planet WASP 127b was in the news in 2018, and the researcher discovered it was one of the least dense exoplanets ever found and was unlike anything in our solar system. The planet is a great candidate for researching exoplanet atmosphere because it is so large and fluffy. It is 1.3 times larger than the Jupiter, but just 1/5 of its mass. And because it orbits very close to its host star, a year there lasts just 4 days, and its surface temperature rises to 1100 degrees Celsius. That makes it a type of a planet called hot Saturn. Now, researchers have used data from the Hubble Space Telescope along with the spectroscopy instrument and actually spectrograph for the rocky exoplanets and stable spectroscopic observation, or the ESPRESSO, at the European Southern Observatory Telescope in Chile. These data were used to identify clouds that are floating in the planet's atmosphere. They also found sodium in the atmosphere, but at a lower altitude than they expected. The composition of the clouds expect that they are not composed of water droplets like on Earth. Scientists are not puzzled about why the sodium is found in an unexpected place on this planet. Future studies will help us understand not only more about the atmospheric structure, but about the WASP 127b, which is proving to be a fascinating place. There are even more oddities to WASP 127b, though not only does it orbit in the opposite direction to its star, but it also orbits in an unusual plane rather than a typical equatorial plane. For hot Saturn in an old stellar system and might be caused by an unknown companion. All these unique characteristics make WASP 127b a planet that will be very intensely studied in the future. So what do you think? Can this fluffy exoplanet pose life forms of some kind in its atmosphere?